Hey guys, it's Shayla here from Perle Glow Makeup, and today I'm so excited. I have finally got our newest addition, which is the White Glow, so straight from our manufacturer. And yeah, I am going to be doing a demo for you today on how to use it as a primer. All of our lovely, beautiful porcelain skin girls out there are just going to absolutely love this product. This product is for you, and I'm going to be sharing lots of tutorials on how you will be able to use it and basically change your life as far as foundation goes, because as someone who is a little bit lighter, I know how hard it is to try and find the right foundation color, and also just keeping that foundation color the same color while you're wearing it. But today I'm going to demonstrate how we can all use it, and that's just using it as a primer. So it's the same as the Golden Glow. The principle works the same. So we're just going to apply a couple of drops into our hand. I don't have any makeup on at the moment, as you can see, so I'm just completely barefaced. I've got a little bit of moisturizer on, and that's it. So we're going to go straight on with our hands and apply it just like we would with our Golden Glow. But as you can see, it's actually having that completely different effect to the Golden Glow. It's working as a canvas. So what we're doing is we're getting a beautiful even coverage, and I'm also I'm porifying. You can feel the difference in the skin, so it's actually feeling so much smoother. There's no sort of rough surfaces on the edges. It's all getting filled out and that bit smoother, so it's going to be the perfect base for our foundation to go on with. So as you guys all know, the Golden Glow is anti-aging, so it's full of rich, nourishing ingredients. So we've got your aloe vera and your crushed pearl powder, and it's the same here with the White Glow as well too. So using a primer to create that barrier for the foundation to go over the top, you're using a primer that's actually completely anti-aging and incredible for your skin. As you can see, I've got a lovely white canvas. It's nothing too crazy or dramatic, but there's definitely that redness that's been taken out from my skin. I've got a bit of a radiant hue going on, and it's just the perfect base now for me to go in with for my foundation. I've got the amazing Golden Glow here as well, and I've also got my Hourglass concealer that I've been using. So I'm just going to pop a few little spots around here, and just those little extra bits that I like to cover. That's it. A little bit on the sides there, down here. And then I'm going to get a few drops of my Golden Glow, and I'm going to pop that in here on my hand there. Okay, so just a few drops, guys. Got the Golden Glow there, and I'm actually just going to blend it in with my hand. I'll leave it under my eyes till last, just because I think that that needs a little bit more precision rather than just using your palms. So I will show you that there. Beautiful. And just blending. Oh, I so wish that you guys could feel the consistency of my face. It just feels so much better than what it does normally with foundation. So it's I think that just in itself is amazing. It doesn't feel like it's cakey, it just feels like my skin about just smoothed out. It's amazing. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go back in under here and just smooth out that stuff there. Feel free to grab your brushes too. If you prefer to use brushes, that's fine. So that's basically it. I've got my Perle Glow as my base. I've got my Golden Glow over the top like I usually do, which I mix in with my concealer as my foundation. Another side note as well too, with Golden Glow, when you're running out of your fake tan, and you're kind of on your last few days of your tan, use a little bit of Golden Glow on your neck to blend it. And this is anyone who actually, because the sun doesn't really hit our neck, like our face works as a bit of a shadow, and it doesn't really see a lot of sunlight. So you might have a really lovely tan face and a lovely tan décolletage, but a little bit of a wider neck. So if you do have that, you can just use Golden Glow literally just on your neck, and use it for the other benefits. Like you can use your Golden Glow for your primer, you can even mix a little bit into your foundation if it's too light. You know, you can use it like that, but that helps it blend so much better and that sort of thing too. So I really just actually wanted to demonstrate how easy and simple you can use it, and how lovely it feels underneath, and how much of a bit of a brighter look I would say that this makeup look is. So if you are a little bit of a lighter girl, or you just like to use your normal foundations, or even if you're using Golden Glow, you can still use this product, and you can even mix it into the Golden Glow if you want to soften it out. So if you're coming into winter and that sort of thing, and you're finding it's a little bit too dark, you can mix the two together. That's absolutely fine. They're from the same family basically, so they'll mix together beautifully. Beautiful. Gonna pop it on fast forward, guys, and show you the finished result at the end. So there you have it. That's literally my overall looking makeup today. But yeah, it's absolutely lovely. I wish that you guys could feel my skin. It feels incredible. It's so lovely and soft and blended. It feels like there's nothing even on it at all. I can touch it and it doesn't come off or anything like that. So an amazing primer. It sets the makeup in place. It doesn't make it crease. And you can use this with any foundation as well too. So absolutely incredible primer. It helps whiten out and block out any of your dark pigments and red tones. It also helps with your makeup from creasing into lines or going into pores. And it also helps nourish and anti-age your skin, so it's absolutely incredible. So if you do have any issues with pores, this product here is going to make it better by the end of it. It's not going to, you know, just help sort of cover it up, and then as soon as you're not wearing makeup, you know, you've still got the issue with your pores. This here is helping combat that right then and there every time you wear it. Not only just making your makeup look better, but also having those long-term benefits as well too, which is what we're all about at Perle Glow. It is just astounding, the best primer that I have ever used, hands down. Anyway guys, cannot wait to share it with you. Thanks so much for watching, guys. It's been awesome. I'm very, very excited. As you can tell, I probably said it 20 million times. But yeah, I look forward to seeing you in the next video, and thanks for watching. Bye.